The Panther KF51 is a powerful new battle tank built for the modern battlefield. Revealed on June 13, 2022, at the Eurosatori Defense Exhibition, it combines cutting-edge technology with heavy firepower and smart features to stay ahead in future combat. Built on the proven Leopard 2A4 base, the KF51 features a brand new turret with a 130mm auto-loading main gun, offering greater firepower than previous models. It's fully digital, allowing for faster communication and smarter decision-making during missions. The tank also includes advanced protection systems that can detect and stop incoming threats, increasing its chances of survival. On top of that, it can control drones, giving it an edge in surveillance and battlefield awareness without risking crew safety. Created by Rheinmetall, the KF51 is designed to compete with today's most advanced tanks, including the Leopard 2 A7+. It's also being developed for international markets, making it a serious contender in the global defense industry. The Rheinmetall Mission Master CXT is a tough, compact, unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, built to help soldiers in the most challenging conditions. Whether it's rocky ground, mud, or water, this machine is ready to go anywhere. What makes it stand out is its all-terrain mobility and hybrid power. It can travel up to 450 kilometers on fuel, with an extra 50 kilometers using only electric power. Perfect for silent, stealthy missions. Thanks to its amphibious design, it can also move through water without a problem. The Mission Master CXT can carry up to 1,000 kilograms of supplies, equipment, or weapons, making it perfect for missions like resupply, reconnaissance, or fire support. Despite its strength, it moves quietly and efficiently. It's also packed with smart tech, including cameras, radar, and LiDAR sensors, so it can see clearly in both day and night. It can be operated remotely or work on its own using built-in artificial intelligence. Fast, smart, and strong, the Mission Master CXT is built to support troops when and where it matters most.
Imagine a military vehicle that adapts to any mission in just hours. That's the power of the Supacat HMT, a cutting-edge platform redefining modern warfare. Available in 4x4 and 6x6 configurations, this beast isn't locked into one role. It can be a patrol vehicle today, a missile system tomorrow, and a medical transport when the mission demands it. The British Army's HMT extender proves its versatility. Mechanics can add an extra axle in only 2 hours, turning it into a completely different machine. But adaptability isn't its only strength. The HMT thrives in extreme terrain. With adjustable ground clearance, it conquers 40-degree inclines and even fords 1-meter deep rivers without breaking a sweat. Its rugged design ensures it can reach places most vehicles wouldn't dare to go. In a world where speed, mobility, and flexibility decide outcomes, the Supacat HMT isn't just a vehicle, it's a force multiplier. Because in the future of warfare, survival belongs to those who adapt.
The AACE amphibious bulldozer is a specialized machine built for shoreline preparation and complex terrain management, offering optimal performance for a variety of coastal and water-adjacent operations. Equipped with advanced soil management features, this bulldozer is designed to handle both loose sand and mud, as well as tougher substrates found along shorelines, making it ideal for environments where standard equipment may struggle. Its amphibious capabilities allow it to operate effectively in shallow water, facilitating tasks like erosion control, land reclamation, and foundational preparation for infrastructure projects near water bodies. A standout feature of the AACE amphibious bulldozer is its adaptable suspension system, which automatically adjusts to terrain conditions, increasing stability and operational efficiency. This flexibility allows it to maintain a smooth, balanced movement over irregular surfaces, ensuring high productivity even in challenging environments. The bulldozer's design emphasizes durability and low maintenance requirements, ensuring reliable, continuous operation. Built for efficiency and longevity, the AACE amphibious bulldozer is an essential asset for projects requiring robust, versatile equipment that can perform in diverse and demanding coastal and amphibious settings, all while maintaining control and reducing environmental disruption. The DARPA GXVT, Ground X Vehicle Technology, buggies are ultra-lightweight, highly agile off-road vehicles specifically designed for military and tactical applications in challenging terrains. With a focus on safety and operational effectiveness, these buggies incorporate autonomous threat evasion technology, allowing them to detect, analyze, and avoid potential dangers without human intervention. This capability enhances their survivability in hostile environments, enabling the vehicle and its crew to avoid direct engagement with threats like mines, ambushes, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The GXVT buggies feature enhanced maneuverability with advanced suspension and steering systems that allow them to traverse uneven, rugged landscapes with ease and speed. Unlike traditional armored vehicles, these buggies rely on their agility and low-profile design rather than heavy armor for protection. This design approach reduces weight, increases speed, and enables rapid deployment across various types of terrain. In addition, the GXVT buggies are equipped with state-of-the-art navigation and control systems that support remote and semi-autonomous operations. By minimizing the need for direct human control, these vehicles can perform high-risk reconnaissance and support missions, gathering essential intelligence and providing situational awareness in areas that may be difficult or dangerous for personnel to access. The DARPA GXVT buggies offer an innovative blend of agility, safety, and tactical functionality, making them invaluable assets for modern military operations.
ST Engineering Bronco 3, the ultimate all-terrain machine. Meet the ST Engineering Bronco 3, a battle-tested all-terrain tracked carrier built to conquer the toughest environments. From swamps and deserts to rivers and rugged trails, this powerhouse moves with ease, reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, 65 km per hour. With a payload capacity of 13,889 pounds, 6,300 kilograms, it effortlessly carries soldiers, equipment, and cargo, keeping missions on track no matter the challenge. Its V-shaped hull adds a crucial layer of protection against underbelly blasts, while a modular design offers over 40 configurations to meet the demands of diverse military operations. Lightweight and compact, the Bronco 3 is air deployable, allowing rapid response and flexibility for expeditionary forces. Whether transporting troops, supporting logistics, or navigating extreme terrain, it delivers unmatched versatility, durability, and reliability. In a world where adaptability and speed define success, the Bronco 3 doesn't just perform, it redefines modern military mobility. Trusted by armed forces worldwide, this all-terrain champion proves that no environment is too tough to conquer.
The Rheinmetall Boxer Cobra Bridgelayer is a high-tech military vehicle built to quickly set up and remove bridges during missions. Based on the flexible Boxer armored vehicle, it helps troops move across rivers, trenches, and other obstacles without delay. The system can deploy a strong 15-meter bridge that can support heavy vehicles, including tanks, with a load capacity of up to MLC 50. The bridge is made from tough steel and aluminum and unfolds in a unique concertina style. What makes the Cobra Bridgelayer special is its modular design. The bridge system can be added or removed as needed, so the Boxer vehicle stays ready for other tasks when not being used as a bridge layer. At the front of the vehicle, a hydraulic system handles the entire process. The bridge can be fully deployed in just 2 minutes and packed up in only 1 minute, perfect for fast-moving operations. Designed for speed, strength, and flexibility, the Boxer Cobra Bridgelayer is a vital tool for military engineers. It ensures that troops and equipment can keep moving, even in challenging terrain.